Hello everyone, my name is Manmeet Kaur from the Gurukul School Rania. So students, in this video we will gonna discuss about sole proprietorship. Yes, what do you mean by sole proprietorship? Means a single owner is known as sole proprietorship. Whether profit or losses in the business, he is the only liable for it. If he he owned the business, he managed, he controlled. All these things are only by a individual. Okay, he received all profits or enjoy all profits and bear all the risk of the company. That is known as sole proprietorship. Proprietorship means individual owner, entrepreneur. Okay, let's check the feature means characteristics of nature. Visheshtaएं, yes. Single owner, yes. Owned and controlled by one individual, that is known as sole proprietorship. Yes, if he enjoys all profits in the business, then he can bear all losses. No separate legal entity. Yes, earlier I told you business and businessman we will consider separate. Okay, but in sole proprietorship they both are same. Freedom of operation, yes. Minimum government interference is there, but in company government interfere in it. Okay, because for licensing, opening of a country, some formalities are there. Okay, next one is unlimited liability. Yes, because he is the single owner. If any business liability or any loan he is not able to pay it back, then his personal property will also be in a risk. Okay, one man control. Yes, if a single owner is there, then he has freedom to take any decision for his business, because it is sole proprietorships owned and managed by an individual. Small size business, yes, has limited managerial ability, so, and limited funds, so he or she will do a business on small scale. Lack of business continuity, yes. If example I'm giving you that some mishappening is happened with a sole proprietor or single owner. Example, car accident is there, then who will run his business, because he's only a single produce owner. Next advantage, easy to form dissolve, because not such legal formalities are there. Direct incentive, yes. If profit is there, he will get enjoy all his profit, and if losses are there, he have to bear all the risk. Next is flexibility, yes. He himself take all decision, doesn't require to consult, and quick decisions are there. Personal touch, yes. Example given to shopkeepers have direct personal contacts with the he can get easily information about liking of the products or disliking of the products. Okay, or taste of the customer. Sole beneficiary of profit, yes. All profit belongs to the proprietor himself. Secrecy, yes. No legal compulsion is there to show the your accounts to CA, या audit it or show it to the government. Okay, independent control, because there is a single owner owned and managed by an individual, suitable for small scale operation. Yes, where you want to invest less capital or require personal attention. Okay, now last is disadvantages of sole proprietorship. Here some disadvantages were written. Limited resources, yes, because a single owner have fund, less finance help. Next, unlimited liability, yes. If he will not able to pay any loan, then his personal property will also be sold to cover the loan. Limited managerial skill, as example written here, he may be a good manager, manages the things very well, but is not a good salesperson. Okay, limited scope of expansion. because funds are in limited number, limited life of business. Yes, if some mishappening happen with him, so who will gonna run his business? So hope you guys like this video. If you face any difficulty, please text text me. Thanks everyone.